what I got from my friend. It was her birthday, so she gave goodie bags to everyone. But I'm so sad that I did not have anything to give her. So I decided I'll make something for her. And I know what should I make. I'll make a bracelet because she loves jewelry. If you start the video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Let's get started. To make a bracelet, you will need beads. You need to choose which kind of bead you want. String, colorful string, any color of your choice, and scissors and paper clips and any empty box. I'm gonna cut the string off this side, but I'm gonna leave a little tail in the end. I'm gonna cut it right here. We need the same size of the string. I'm gonna clip both of my string on the box. Now I'll put beads in both of the strings. Purple beads in this string, yellow beads in this string. Now I'm gonna clip it in the other side of the box. I'm gonna put the yellow beads in the other string. I'm gonna clip this string. Done. I put 15 beads here and 15 beads here. Now I'll take my yellow string and start making a design on it. First, I put the yellow string underneath the white string and then make a knot. Pull it a little bit. Now I'll make 4 box knots here. Look how pretty this is. Now I'm gonna clip one end up here. Now I'll work on this string. So first, pull all the beads up. Now take this string and start wrapping it around. Clip this side right here. Now I'll use this side of yellow string. I will wrap this around, same like I did before. Take it off and make a knot here. Make it tight. Now I'm gonna make 4 box knots. Guys, this is done. Now I'm gonna cut it. Now I'm gonna ask my mom to seal the ends. To take it out. I'm so excited. Look at this beautiful decorative beads in the end. I'm gonna take 2 happy faces and butterflies. I'm gonna put these beads in the end and I'm gonna ask my mom to tie a knot. Now my mom tied the knot at the end. I'll do the same in the other side. Now my mom tied a knot this side too. Now I'm gonna make a circle. And I'll make a box knot here. I will use my yellow string. Now I have made 3 box knots. I will cut the extra yellow string now. I will ask my mom to steal this again. I'm done now. Open and close. Open, close. My friend will be so happy to see this. Let me pack it in a bag.